Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to your number one soccer podcast in the land. This is a Pass and Move Ogu channel 8-3 TV. Pass and Move proudly brought to you by 8-3 Events, 8-3 Studios, 8-3 Media. And the city, Happy New Year to everyone. Everything is mwah, everything is lega. Lathi lokho esiqhubeka siyaphambili asimanga. I-Dep 3 nxa ungayazi i-Dep 3 we do a lot of things. We're into events. We do PA system hire. Also we've got media services whereby we do photography, videography, live streaming. Also, we've got a studio whereby we record your voiceovers, any recordings. We do our recordings. Gents, it's a happy new year. 2026. Sicine sinjama popcorn.
On a set day, it was a set day.
It was a lovely day.
No, for me it was a set day. I cannot celebrate my nation falling down.
It's our nation, guys.
Yeah.
But otherwise, mnyango muhle lingene sharp.
Singene sharp. We're here.
Mnandi.
Asikhona.
No complaints.
No complaints.
Cabangela izinto ezintsha ezinhle futhi.
Usasekhona apho mfuna siqase ngenye into enginanzelile thina nje abantu abathanda ibhora sithanda ubheja lebhora ngithenze emozi ezokuthiwa kule 25% efakiwe angikwazi umbuzo uzwini
Lokho angikuzwile kubuhlungu.
So now refund bakhe.
Alazi
Yeah, we have 50 rand. Yes, I remember 50 rand.
Bara hizi ubujo kuyemza student ticket le refund. Bathini bujo?
Zimbabwe is a taxing nation. We're being taxed in everything we're doing. To send someone money, to send my mother's money, there's always a tax. So I think it's a nation which taxes people to make money. I don't know why.
We're being taxed.
But we're being taxed instead of creating jobs for people. We're being taxed in everything. So it's something sounds funny, but awuchazi.
On a serious note.
Awuchazi ngoba nxa sekufuze ngithumezele ugogo imali ekhaya, kufuze mbanjwe imali ethi ngimthumezele. Nxa ngideposit imali ufuze mbanjwe ngisebenze any transaction I'm making electronic exactly. Ngifunda ngapha. So kufuze njani ngitax which is not fair. But nonetheless sisebenza ngakho khona ama-Zimbabweans if any there's a profession is being a Zimbabwean.
But le emozi buhlungu le.
Uyakwazi mina engibona ukuthi ubuhlungu mdala sikhangele in a deep way kanje. Most of abantu manje singasuka sithi siyema gambling kanje. Most of abantu ngama unemployed. Umuntu uyabethole i10 rand nalana maybe uyithole enzima. Wayekela ukuye njengwini wayekela ukuyanga. Wathi kahle ayezama. So sebamba 3000 la sithi wena sophinda somtaxa umuntu ozamayo uphinda umbambele ngesicathulo ufake ekhaya entameni hayi lapha naye manje ungalanda abantu bonke abasegambling balele mdala mawufuna ubona abantu abajumekile
yikho phela ongenze kakhuluma abantu bebheje yavukhona umnje sithi ayivuvuka ngezothola uyathoba 100 uzuphiwa 75
ofulu bengakubhasisi
ayikho hayi wapasa clean angumthetho welizwe wapasa clean uyathekisa awukabambi
kubuhlungu mdala kubuhlungu
ungabamba kwakhela
25% yonke mdala
ngingabambi 100
ubethu abala 2%
ungabamba 100 bathi
khona kunzima vele
madoda yikho singena ngakho ku-2025 sikhona phe 2026 yesingena ngakho ku-2026 sikhona phe zimbo ukuthi abafowethu abazigemblela ibhora so the tax 25%. Nxa uthi ungakwazi ungayithuki usuchingela abantu usuchinga uthi ticket yami lethi 100 so niki 75 laba kuyatex wala.
And then into I saw somebody who Eco Cash lapana why send something like $300 Eco Cash. So nxa isifika ngale sibanja about 5% kule 2% inaleka mthuli plus 5% 3% I think
a transaction.
So sifika siphungukile waphenduka sizochinga ngathi mina mfake 300 phela simali nami sifike sincane njani but sengikho iqhaso ukuchasiselwa ngama taxes nalawo. So I think maybe in nation as a world bafuze bekulokuze befundisa abantu benze awareness so that people can know and understand to avoid ama conflicts in the future.
Ngoba yesuku budget lithi yabona 100 yami le ngiyathi ngithi bekuthi 75 masidize chawa
abathethe kakhulu
secha wathi sisakhuluma ubheja jethu ama-hours andadliwa hotela leko last week abuya kulokunye odongani kuyatrend angazi ukuthi awufa true is it butho kwasonza ukuthi umfact checkele into le andazi thina eZimbabwe vele sike saba le mates zethu ze-Asia Gate kudala so eZimbabwe ithe igame lani eSouth Africa la leZimbabwe la khanyani kulama investigations amele ayenzakala bathi ngani iZimbabwe yathengisa igame leyo
ngama-yemu la
because it was to fact check it just fact check nje was to ucheck ukuthi awufa true
anchakwazi ukuthi thina singabantu abamnyama wena kunje ungafa uzigulele ngomkhuhlane wakwafa asivumi ukuthi khona iTB kumbe ichukela kumbe kuyini okukubuleleyo kufuze sidinga imbangele kwenza utufi. So that's the same thing like ama-Zimbabweans were beat up by the way we lost the match. Even nxa uyikhangele ngamehlo iyacabanga ukuthi of course kukhona okwabhadalwayo but akula lutho lwabhadalwayo lapha and akula FIFA futhi echecka anything. It's just ubuhlungu sobhalwa ngabantu bezama ukufuqa iFIFA ukuthi njani investigate.
You know why I'm bringing this up? I saw some reliable civil sites reporting on that very issue.
So kule AI these days ibekwazi.
AI isikho but ulama sites mina vele engichecka khona ngathola sibility into lana ikhona kulomuntu sibili obhale ngayo ukuthi there is a probe into igame la ikonsithi ukwazi can just fact check but
I think ilapana ngabantu nje abafuna ukudinga nje but sometimeseboring lokwana kuyenzakala like because if wona usubukela kuhle igame kuthela ukuthi aso umuntu uyabe ufuna ukuyenza it was a genuine mistake because awunye ukuthi deflection umuntu uthengile akuyenza uthi umuntu uyedeli back pass ukhipha waphuma yena wabalethi ukuthi njani ukuthi punchini uthi ulithengisiwe so amboni mina ukuthi kule something engabe yenzakele ebureni abantu badliwe engani even ezweni umuntu uyakwanisa ukumeasure umgqongo lingame.
The same thing I don't know what to be saying. We saw uChamberlain did it Arsenal okwenza uNakamba lokho so because that guy udlala eEurope akathengisanga now uNakamba is playing in Zimbabwe sethengisile uNakamba lapha khona is under depression right now lami ngizwe ubuhlungu
depression bese
ponguvala depression because every person every
depression bese ponguvala
no kavala because khangela
ngithi ubona ngale edawa ubi
ukhona ukuthi isayini ukuthi khona
ubevele dawo
alukwana yena la kuyabe kumchayile
kumlimazile
yabona iproblem into eyenzakala nje yabona ukuthi no these days the social media mawuvula social media wonke umuntu uyakuthethisa wonke umuntu yabona into eziyazo kuyakwafecta nje ukuthi even emphakathini even uzihambile awusela confidence liyani ukuthi yami njani umuntu because uyawusithi maybe la ngihamba khona umuntu
uzanchaya
and abantu babe kwanisa ukukhuluma ishithi uzambe and ukuthi ulwe futhi akuyenza so I think mentally vele
kuyakudimara
ukuthi Topi ngiyakuzwa
official investigation
but okanakamba nje waye ku-investigator kakhulu abona wena as
awuthola official investigation
wena as lawo uliplayer nje kunzima ukuthi uvale ungakwazi ukuthi igate olivalayo linga uNakamba kumbe zangakhangele ukuthi ukhathale egedini wazo wathi so into kwakhona njalo wasuka ngale nawe khona wabuya nga so into kwakhona kwangani kuba hayi yabona wesa abantu abadliweyo topi even landa ke lidli uyakudliswa ngunye kuyimistake ukuthi umuntu ku Rachel but omunye umuntu siyabona ukuthi kuyini athi vele umenze wadlisa lapha
ayothi mina I think ekwenza like ilizwe lonke likhale kakhulu khona ukuthi it was 2-2 uyabona then yena la because sometimes egamini yakho nama moments lana because ngama last moments of the game and the game isipheli frustration ndandana wena umuntu mayishuta vele usitshela ukuthi njani then usubone ngani maybe ibhola legedini because wangu last man oseposting usunjani usufuna ukuthi ngcono umvali ibhola lingalikhutha kanjani kathi awuchecka ukuthi njani because into lezazenzakala within a second and a ground
the moment of madness
and to add on that
exactly ama kiwa ifaka
let's say igedland ibhola ngathi alikonde egedini wayenza sona la ngangena egedini ukhipha walisave he was going to be a camel right but now yena akasakhangelanga ukuthi igedling ngapha of course wazama la ukuthi maybe I can beat to ref but forgetting ukuthi kuleva even though iva ikhona kwakwansi like what Suarez did Suarez walibamba lakhutwa ipenalty
ngoba ipena but lakhutwa
that guy is a hero ngoba wasave wawukhanya labantu yenzana
but ngathola ngile
hayi thina asithini mina lami ngithi let's carry on investigate lathi singabanye
awuthakula
lathi suspicious
uthakula official investigate ngabantu speaking about the Warriors bevela phuma ku tournament abathetha serious as
a nation asosikhambisa amapostori airport amapostori siyayamukela ama Warriors when they were singing ingoma lana you could see from player 1 from the managers from the technical no one wanted to associate with them even unekamba wazwa ungalaleli if audio lana ucine nandi anzi nakamba ripi unakamba yale liphakathi kwangafuna ukuphuma because ulokuzini okade bazivala amafesi lapha nayisikho lokho
ngambona ukade beyivala amafesi I obvious madoda phansi kwabantu bonke uzuhambisa amapostori ukuthi hayi lokuthi Zimbabwe try to be serious Zimbabwe this is soccer try to be serious
sikhona thina ama supporters
amapostori kathi kuhluleni ukuthi ahambe ayihlangabeza
amapostori siyazonda kuphele msukwana eGames
bakhona abantu bebhola
lapha wawungekho kuthiwa akumelanga kubuya abantu phela I don't think wonke umuntu so I think kwakuyindaba leyani yokuthi babekwazi ukuthi abantu bazondile so ngcono sizidingile abantu kunje abazanjani
abangaso bebhola
abathi Tobi yakuza uba
bapira wasithi bapira ngathi impi
nyamuzi Tobi uba lojikala abathi
but it's a point what he's saying because
abantu bazondile
people were angry
abantu babengeke
people were very angry
people were angry lapha
I understand badlalela ipoint yami kulama support ayihanjisiwe
lana abebhanga kaphendu abakuyibonke phela
into lesa sikhuluma ngayo bese yakuthola mina okhamba amafa
anje ama supporter vele babebodwa bona
but Jake ba communicate nama team abecela
ama team unalisondile nga
hayi Zwana
ama loyal fans
it's not everyone wayezondile it's not everyone ongathatha indawo enjani mana sibatshela ukuthi mana umbesenza umsindo omunye umuntu kokana ukuthi ngama Warriors babehamba ama supporters ehlabela kanjani kube bacela kulokuhambisa abantu ngani baye umasoli bekuba ngenkala kade lokuzena hayi
lapha uzakuzwa abantu besithi hayi thina sifike
that was bad
anhle kakhulu
that was very bad because mina ngedwa personally ngubone kuyinto etshengisa ukuthi khona Zimbabwe is not serious when it comes to football.
Exactly.
Now we understand ukuthi khona people can be angry, don't trust how people are going to react when they meet the fans. But Zimbabwe being Zimbabwe is always a peaceful nation. Singapopota senze konke but akula umuntu ozasukumisa isandla chama Warriors. Because when nxa ngama Warriors ukuhlangena ama teams wonke lokuzenini ama teams are different. I won't want ukuthi mina njengami as a supporter of chicken ngilimaza umuntu wechicken okhona lapha. Because nxa ngajikilitsha angikwazi liyawela kubani. angasuze ngifune nxa umuntu oyalendazi njikilitshe ntsha umuntu oyalendazi so sasingasoze bokungasoze kuliwe vele it was better ukuthi kubuye kuvini kungela supporter it was going to be better than ukuthi befaka ugogo labana kabalazi lebhola bazibapera irendi awashiri kuya nje ibhola irendi.
I mean, sisters, just to make context that go find about the video that I'm a post to I'm a warriors. And any issue speak about the unity and togetherness as a nation. Any issue that has been bothering me. Fair enough. Anything happens. Makaiva wadlisa. That's divine law. About wadlisa. Wa iti bora. Wameleli yetiri ngale. Ukipa wadlisa. Weka ngezandla. Umuntu weka ekhanda wametiri bora. Unakamba wabambi bora. iZimbabwe madiza ile mhlobo eminingi. Into le kuthiwa social media mele sibambe udle le. Abantu basebesilwa omunye sithi amandebele omunye sithi Tonga omunye sithi Shona
Bulawayo boys
abanye sebesithi Bulawayo boys into lena izange mele sikhuthaze sitshela abantu ukuthi no
konoko kubangelwa ukuthi thina abantu ababukela ibhora belazi ibhora nxa ubukela ibhora you have to understand ukuthi khona ebhoreni it's all about a mistake which another person capitalizes to win.
Yes,
so inxa lidlala ibhora liyadinwa selidiniwe seliforsana ukwenza ama mistakes so that izihlohla so we are unfortunately ukuthi thina we have been forced to make those three mistakes rather if I can say but the deflection I don't see it as a mistake ukuthi lenze I mistake then they score so nxa behlohlile lapha if you don't understand the football it's better not to watch it because uzwa ama results uthi ahambe njani ngoba nxa unga understand ibhora vele that when uzahamba usiqasa uthi kana ishona indebele I always tell people this ukuthi kona there's no one in life who applied ukuthi ezalwe elindebele kumbe lishona ethi DM mama lo baba nxa sunzala nconzala nibe indebele nconzala nibe lishona nconzala nibe likhalanga you don't have to hate anyone because of tribal because it's not my choice to be indebele I'm a Kalanga, I'm not a Ndebele. It's not my choice to be a Kalanga, right? It's not his choice to be a Shona. It's not his choice to be a Sotho or Save. It's just God, it's predestination. So, sesingantu asilwa lo nkulunkulu ngasiba ngokuthi khona omunye umuntu lishona, omunye lindebele, omunye yini. So nxa sokuthi akomana yokubulawayo. Yiko okubangela ukuthi muzukana nxa sokubuka lapha eBF. Omunye ulibambili balalelana.
Sokusiba
into amashona lawana. Anti vele athi into esadlisayo kanti isini silibangela lokho. Sekusuka lo msindo. But singadlala ibhora as a sport which unites people and forget it tribe. We enjoy
football. And the football unites.
Exactly. Content yabo Facebook ukuthi abantu they want to make jokes ngento content betting ama likes but sometimes ebhoreni kuyenzakala ngani South Africa thina sayihlohla nge deflection la
exactly
eka Modiba that's another mistake abayenza so ibhora very linjalo it's about mistakes and when awunye ukuthi nge 90 minutes awunye kungena ne ground uthi ufudlisa
and ecabanga to
be player phela akula player
umuntu nxa ekustage lesana, it's the biggest stage in Africa.
Yabona.
They want a limelight, they want to be
Kakhulu.
seen, they want to market themselves.
Exactly.
Then unfortunately ama incidents ebuya akula muntu ayefuna ukuthi
Exactly.
akula.
It's a game of mistakes.
And enye into, and I'm serious about it today, ukuthi abantu bezizwe. That's why kuthiwa i-national team.
Exactly.
We are now one.
eZimbabwe kulama tribes amangaki
We have got 16 for official languages,
Maningi.
but there are more than that.
you understand so nxa kuthiwa national team jensini ngabantu abahlanganeyo
Berepresenta
berepresenta ilizwe
Yeah.
so abantu kumele sikuthathe ngayena le indlela abantu sikufunde
Plus into errong eyenzakala ngama-fans like abebhora most of the time they think ukuthi wena ungadlalela maybe egoli mawusudlala legoli usufuna ukubanika i-advantage what for because angeke ngikunike i-advantage mina ngifuna ilizwe lami awuncedi
you understand
uyabona because at the same time ungadlala kuhle futhi against kufana le game i-previous ye-World Cup lama-qualifiers uMacGyver wakhipha elinye elayinini besides South Africa. Sonke sataba as a nation. Then now so many crucify kathi is 0-0. Now so many sim crucify ngenxa yokuthi uyete kwaba mistake ibhola langeni. Akula umuntu ongangena esithi at one point futhi we were missing uMacGyver against Egypt.
Everyone was crying for him. He comes in, he makes a mistake. Then he's not a human being.
He's not a player. I don't think.
At one point, one of the coaches, I don't want to name him by why coaches Zimbabwe, but umsebenzi wokuba coach weZimbabwe is a thankless job because only what you get is criticism. Now, look at point eqedwe ukukhuluma kaMacGyver. uMacGyver did everything. Last qualifiers ukuthi lathi sithole point yena ne 0-0 against South Africa. He was persecuted by South Africans. Now again usebuya ngibo persecuted futhi ngabantu
abangibo.
It's not fair for an individual.
Kumele support abantu
I understand.
Esikwaziyo nje ngosupport ibhola ukuthi siyachinga ngasono sikhathi in those 90 minutes amaGyver udlizile usibulele so kuphelile ngokwebhola after tough luck so tough luck to continue siyamthethisa sikhulume zonke indlela esizifuna ngesikhathi sebhola but not afterwards.
EkaMacGyver lana miscalculation
both between the two of them.
But la uyambona umuntu kade efuna ukwenzana.
Exactly.
Ngoba lo umuntu mayegejile maybe efuna ukukora la ubona hayi umuntu kade efuna ukwenzana. uMacGyver la wawukhanya lapho ufuna ukwenzana nje. Then kwase kuyala. But kwabuya yabona i-social media iyahamba la ihambi ne deep way. Kwabuya bazo review kule yade sengibona uMacGyver sejiva labantu beSouth Africa ye what uMacGyver lapha mntu wayefuna ukuthi kumbe lokuzeni but umuntu lona azakamkhiphe jive ukhiphe kokalo kuyilokuzeni
umbu wayefuna unika haki
badlala bonke vile indlela babingelela
kule ndlela ubingelela ngayo but sokuthiwa khela waye dancer yabona lana that is a social iyabulala but kwama players abayenze njengabo Ronaldo lo Messi. You know those guys maybe according to the media abantu abafuna ukubabulala. But bona babonisa ukuthi as a player umele ignore into ze media. Into ze social media. So
I think Messi lo Ronaldo baba le lucky. Uyabona for the past 10 years media ibingekho that much like now. Uyabona I think they were lucky those guys you could see.
Uthi every fool has got a phone.
Kade so
every fool is on social media.
Phone umuntu sele data is cheapy. Because when I was ukuthi uMacGyver was celebrating when awunye ukuthi nango for example uMbeuma lo Tomba lo Amati badlala same team after game sebetshintshana ama-shades wena usuzondo sisithi kurongo uma uyi-national team umele uzondo
at the end of the day are human
beings.
You understand?
90 minutes siphelile let's go.
The most important thing people should know that nxa liku-AFCON umbele kuma-competition representing the national team you are not at war. It's a sport.
It's a sport.
So it's different because in Sempin there's no way I will smile to you. It's a sport, it's an entertaining thing to entertain the people, to unite people. Ukuthi abantu bebe njani bebe relaxed. And in the futhi social media lokuma tonke umuntu selefoni. Most people are not working. Nxa bored what they do you criticize selefoni. Awucabangile ekhanda lakhe.
But kumele sikhuza
But esekhohle ukuthi kuyafika kuyafika njani emuntwini okhuluma la
Yes, kumele
yikho phela kwenza i-depression ibe real khona
Exactly.
because umuntu imagine una mawe lokuthethiswa waya ungavula ifoni ubona nguwe uvula ifoni nguwe it's not nice
kumele abantu abayenza khona lokhu kumele sibakhuze anti yakhumbula ukuthi even leyani episode lokhu sasikhuluma nge-incident eyenzakala eShabana
exactly
eGwanda.
eGwanda
abantu sakhuza kumele kuyafanana this is sport
sport
you understand at the end of the day kumele
90
sikhuze
minutes.
please nxa ubukele ishow ungabi lo moya wona lo that is why kuyi-national team
exactly
abantu labana bahlanganisiwe ukuthi bese represent sonke lathi sinje somhlobo eyi-1
exactly
sihlukile but waZimbabweans at the end of the day
Exactly.
please umuntu akakhuze abantu uzinuka amakhwapha ungabona usudefoni usuledata asikuthi somele ukhuluma intando yakho
Yakho,
ngendlela
hayi,
ukhona omunye kulokhuzini umlandeli weshow ubebhale i-comment wathi guys ishow yini imnandi but sicela iyenze ngesishona ukuthi ilokhuzini
wonke umuntu
wonke umuntu ezwe ngibone i-debate yakhona isiqhaza abantu bathi hayi isindebele ndoda is an official wena funda isindebele
Exactly.
you understand abantu bale that mentality so umuntu I think abanye abantu ba lack education buto
kuba
ukuthi
ignorant sometimes I think
you understand so ukuthi abanye abantu abafila entitled ukuthi maybe nxe
I have to switch the
mina
language.
nxa ngingasondebele ongazoshona
awumela ngizwe
awumelanga ngizwe no asikho esebezikwenza
Yeah, vele khona
understand.
there's no language which is superior to the other.
Exactly.
Wena nxa ukuthi ukhuluma isindebele ungazibona ngani ungcono kulo muntu okhuluma
Sure.
isishona.
Exactly.
Nxa ukhuluma ishona ungabona ngani ungcono kulo muntu okhuluma isindebele.
Exactly.
Mina
That's
I've
the
got a
point.
problem. Mina I speak almost many languages. I've got a problem umuntu unofika kimi ngobulawayo khona esefika sithi andikukumbira ukuvunza. Kumbe ngibe nxa ngisehararo mbe somewhere ngicela ukubuza awungibingelelanga first of all bingelela umuntu I don't mind the language you speak about ngibingelela no ukuthi nginjani ngaso nesesikhathi then nxa ungakwanisa uyakwanisa yini ukukhuluma isindebele ngoba ukwanisa ukukhuluma isindebele mina isindebele siyangehlula then we started from there so ukwenza ukuthi sinjani sibe ngabantu abatshengisa uthando because nxa ngafika ngikhulume ngaphambi ukuthi basimbunca ukubuza indlela yekhathi bhaki njani angikwazi ukuthi your well being angikwazi ukuthi ukhuluma ihlobani maybe ulishona usazi isindebele nxa singasamphendulanga senza lephi lamashona wonke ngithi amashona njani azimbulu but wona isindebele awusikwanisi
yes
you understand but ngafika ngikubingelele ngokuthi uyakwanisa yini ukukhuluma isindebele nxa ungakwanisa no angikwanisi ukwanisa ziphi isishona sesiqalisa khonapho
Yes.
kuya ngenza ukuthi ngingalephi amandebele ezabantu ababi kumbe amashona ezabantu ababi because I've understood ukuthi this person ukhuluma iphi language
Yes,
but
you-
nonetheless we are all Zimbabweans
At the end of the day.
regardless we are all Zimbabweans we have to love one another
Mina ngakukhuza abantu anje. I always say sikwezinye indawo senze ezinye izinto anje. Kunje so ungakhangela i-t-shirt ka Ash. Uyikhangele kahle.
person move le
Pass and move. Usubuza abantu bama views abo ukuthi ubonani. Uyawuthi ubona upass and move. Anjo. Yinto ayibonayo. But what about this white part? Akayiboni. What you are saying uthi abantu ezidlungu bephila anjo. Into ekuwe, into enhle abayiboni.
ash
Mabona bathe the into encane. Khona umdulwane lo ngawupendi ube white. Ufaka idothe elimnyama uthi ubona na ukuthi ubona idothe elimnyama. Ukuhle lokuthi that's true. Yiko phela sokuthi kunje so uma Guy udlalile uDivine udlalile. One mistake ubuhle labana basabuboni. Sebona idothe yona la.
Arobi usevile
but
one mistake.
into emfuna siqede ngayo ukuthi abantu aba-educated
yeah people
abantu abefunde
plus kumele mina ngikwanisa ukucommunicate wena ukhuluma lami ngesindebele mina ngikhuluma la ngesishona
Akuna problem.
Sizwanane.
Yes.
You know, I was in South Africa.
Exactly.
I was in South Africa.
uyakwazi
Ngabona
ukukhuluma
this guy
nomuntu.
was speaking to another guy. Omunye ukhuluma ngesisuthu, omunye ukhuluma ngesindebele.
it's like that
Bephendulana nje.
Bephendulana.
Look at
Laba generation bafundisa.
That's what I meant to say. Bephendulana.
Ama-shops amaningi aku-South Africa ukufundisa yona le nto.
so into leyo guys please siyacela isport into yokuthi sibe entertained at the end of the day
Exactly.
asekeleni umoya wona lo njalo especially lana ngihlala ngikhuza especially lina abantu
Abelalindaba.
eSoweto lichintwe asikele nokuzondana ngemihlobo
ngenxa yebhora
ngenxa yebhora at the end of the day ibhora into le madoda iyasihlanganisa
yeah but kodwa ngikukhulumele kancane abantu bebhoso kule ngoma zabo abazihlabela leza nanti eze ukuthi mashona what nxa kungukuthi khona I understand you think that khona those are tribal songs lana amangoma okusupport ama-support islanders most people abazihlabelayo khona pana ngamashona most people they are married to shona abazihlabelayo bahlabela just for entertainment so ungafika ukuthatha personally you think that is something negative but though bakhona bakwenza tribal but most of them bakwenza just to entertain
anyway moving along after Zimbabwe isibuyile kukhona okunye okuningi okwenzakalayo ngifuna ukuqhathanisa amanye ama team aphuma kwaphuma iGabon kwaphuma iUganda kithi thina siphumile iGabon leUganda opresident labanye abantu bathi madoda liyasijwayela lena thina izim i-team yathi iphumile ngobuhlungu obunjalo sezazithiwa iphe 250 mfuna issue yona le sikhangelisisa ukuthi thina siyabonga imediocrity compared to because mbona upresident weUganda zibile ehlalisa isquad phansi ebuza 1v1 ebukela ivideo angikutshela mama this is a serious issue iGabon ulokhu zeni wabhema ngibahle bathi ndoda vele we are banned for life asifuna ubona futhi eboring so abantu babuhlungu indlela abatreata ngayo ukuphuma kwama team mfuna sikukhombe
even Angola kathi abazange ba
iAngola labo bahlalise Angola labo bahlalise phansi mfuna sikukhangelisa izinto lokuthi thina iseriousness yethu sikhangele ama team la ngendlela abanye abantu abareact ngayo thina ezimbabwe are we that serious ukuthi sithi ukuphuma kwethu kushamba chance anayi 250 amaleshe swi o lawana amanye amazwe ayenza ama extreme
okay according to my own analysis what Uganda did yes kungabe ku right kungabe kungekho right but nonetheless I'll go back ngicabange ukuthi because I don't even know how much the government invested on them so if the government invested much on them ukuthi befike to that level and you perform like that they were right to react that way because wherever you put your money is your heart is there so nxa government ifake imali eningi to support the national team and the national team perform dismally like that then it will be okay but nxa bengafakanga imali it becomes a challenge to the next people who are going to be called up for the national duty because each time I'm playing ngiyabe ngidlala ngile fear ngile phobia yokuthi if I make a mistake then I'll be like those guys abadlulayo lapha so however I don't know how they are going to address it then kwe-Uganda khuluma bebuzana nama players abo lana clip lana ngibonileyo it shows the commitment that the government has over that because anje wonke ubebuza ukuthi kona wena keep usuchi umsebenzi wakho usakwenza umsebenzi wama full back abenga okay but no ama full back can answer that for themselves so meaning to say he was analyzing the game post match he needed to understand better the reasons why that goal incident lana related to the goal ukuthi uhambe kanjani however coming back to Zimbabwe it's an individual it's not the government that's where the difference can come now it's an individual okhiphe imali esikhwameni sakhe wahambisa 250,000 ebantwini abayiphula inhliziyo zelizwe lonke so no nonetheless we can say it in a positive way in a negative way in a positive way such that ukuthi like we said the guys were being traumatized by the abuse they got from the social media that 250 could console them but in a negative way we cannot praise kumbe sibhadale failure ukuthi kona sibe number last egroupini we got the chance to go to ukuthi siye phambili but sibe sesiba praise that for doing that you tried and two that money could have gone and helped maybe ama hospitals bencedise this time festive season there are a lot of accidents which are happening ibingancedisa but I saw mali yakho yenza kufuna ngemali yakhe but nonetheless
use weakness
uyenza kufuna ngemali yakhe but kungasenani ukuthi khona ukuthi nxa sisehluleka kulomuntu abathi bona baphezulu ibabakuphakamisa bepraise ukwehluleka when even at school there's no teacher oppraiser umntwana ehlekile.
Even umzali.
Even umzali. Teacher will make you to write corrections. Ungapasa ama corrections, that's when you get praises. So, but now we haven't been doing ama corrections. Didn't sit down with the team. We didn't have a post briefing. What where can we rectify? Even ama one-on-one interviews, lama players. Mistakes because it's not a mistake. It's not a mistake. Arupo essence qualify. We're supposed to win the game in Angola. We're supposed to draw a game in Egypt. Before he came in Egypt, because it was the last and crucial game. So there are so many things we're supposed to look and factor in, but most importantly, the investment that the government puts is the one which makes the government to question only the president cannot take from the government coffers his own personal money or 400,000.
Yeah.
So maybe the president can be the only person with the right to go was to come in.
President
Mina total 100% angisho it's a motivation. Uthathe even umntwana mayevela esikolo uasho azokhuluma ngokuthi even umzali anje mawuthiwa usihlulekile anje that's why instead of motivation lokana ukudestroyer ukupolisha ububi
spoiler ububi
alabana baspoilisha ububi why insho njalo because uyabona asisho government maybe abo Uganda asithi atifake imali for ama players abo anje ama players even lo edlala ku pitch anje they must know ukuthi kulabantu back there bona nje bayithanda ilizwe labo but they are paid futhi ukudlala kwabantu but kulabantu ababukeleyo ngala abathanda ivictory nalantu bewine so udlalela labana abantu awuzidlaleli wena ngoba noma uzidlalela uzahola but ebese suka sedlisa umuntu lo kumbe sebesuka sebedliwa mase bedliwe sebephinda bemotivatewa futhi so ngani bamotivate ukudliwa thina ke abantu so igovernment what yikothiwa labantu abalemali basibulalela ibhola lapha kumele behlaliswe phansi bethi what about those abantu phela abantu ade besebethinga kuvini kuma social media bethinga lona kama ngabantu ababuhlungu ngani kanti bengajabula ngevictory bengatholi even a cent
abasupport team ngokuyithanda
abasupport team with the heart
patriotic
manje uyathola ama players manje ayahola izimali angapha thina asahola izimali sifuna ivictory la njengawe that day ohamba usukwatile but wonke anje uzithomoya abantu bezilontshela ama party wena ukwata lo angeke uphume njalo angeke uphume into esengqondweni yakho la so laba ba motivate into angamelanga motivate ama government abo Uganda lama Angola ba right hlalisa abantu labo baphansi ukuthi alizidlaleli nabafana kulabantu you are carrying the nation the heart of the nation but my spoil the nation kanje so no hayi lapha na like lo ofaka imali siyabonga
or zafika ku crew ngifuna ukuthi Topi when we are currently playing lidliwe any crucial game or crucial tournament obvious very bezolibhadala or whatever ngalivela ngale abantu bechinge blind or belihlalise phansi on a serious note kwenza ama incident ayi2 njengana la esiwafakayo uyibamba njani wena
ukuthi njengakhona ukuthi like
wonke ama incident oyi2
abo Gabon la lokwana like you said ukuthi it depends on ukuthi how did you invest in it uyabona into yena leyo kufana wona la thesivini umntwana wakho wena you uhamba every day esikolo awumniki ukudla awumnikini awumbhadaleli fees uyaxoshwa kwesinye isikhathi lesidabukile sihambe esikolo sebuya engunumber 40 wena usunjani
out of 40
usufuna ukumhlalisa phansi wayo wena ube unumber 40 uyakutshela ukuthi wena akathi untshelelani wena kume wena uyabona into yakhona but wena umntwana ungamenzela konke fundela ebhadala you've got the right yokumbuza khathi wena okwenza ufeli kuyini ukuthi ngiku-improve kuyini uyabona like i-Angola like babesithi sabizi i-Argentina we spent about 10 million uyabona we were investing on it uthi lalifike ngalenze something so what went wrong wala ba-right badinga ama-answers uyabona but kithi ngapha we did not play friendly azange sayenzani babokuhamba bafika badlala so ukuthi wena ezi-government i-right yokuthi umbuzo uyawutshela ukuthi
so ngakuzwa
mina langa akule ngakwenza
uTopi ngayimuzwa kuhle kwasithola yabuya uTopi ngayimuzwa kuhle at fault uqala izifo motherboard
bona cause ezithizi wena ngeke wona intshela ukuthi i-South Africa the friendly badlala ama-friendly ethu
we spoke about this wonke ama-team
asemagruphini adlala ama-friendly thina yethi sothi singadlalanga i-friendly at the same time thina sazama ukudlala sharp wayala uyabona kuthi uyalile kunjalo ezi-government wena uyababuza njani abafana ukuthi kunje so lami nginje ungicoach ngiyakwanisa ukuthi ngithi maybe match fitness yabafana bambi ngekho sharp because we did not play in ama-friendlies that much and ucoach ube mutsha wadlala only 2 friendlies babe-trainer la uyabona
so usenxa banika imali uyiswi
ezisayidi ukuthi ngumuntu uyabona iproblem umuntu oyifeni uyayenza loba yini ngemali yakhe uyabona but ngakuthiwa iphume esikhwameni segovernment kuyakuba yinkinga but umuntu manje phela umuntu uyakwanisa ukuthi wena kule-veni lidliwe 5 ethi bari mina ngithanda umachisa yamnika 30 uyabona into engitsho so yena kukuyena ukuthi ngemali yakhe ufuna ukwenza and thina singathi siyazama ukumtshela uyawutshela ukuthi ndoda mina ngapolisa abana abangijovela laba benza zijipi so ngeke kumsole vele umuntu wankona yabo kwenzele uyenza into ayifunayo ngemali yakhe but laba manje i-government uyabona igabhoni uAngola uyabona ukuthi i-government vele labanye iyabi-right because amanye ama-countries phela bahamba ejele abanye
bakhona abanye
bahamba ejele uyabona
bakhona abanye
i-government yabiyenze elot iya-investe elot entweni yangikhona uyabo then sebefika ngale babe-expect ama-result uyabona
kwasithola sithi we've got a different opinion busithi
I think sengingavumelana lana ukuthi one however ngidifera ngokuthi isport madoda into yokukholisa akusona ukuthi Spanish umuntu ukuthi kasaperformanga kahle one for iGabon aso high profile isoccer team my expectations kuphela ukuthi Obama yeng labo Bruno mikade bemele perform better but those are 2 out of what 11 players so ukuthi sibuye sipapanitsha so ku 2 punitive akufika sonto yesport asungabe kuthiwa yiarmy bengiyazwisisa then esayidini lethu thina eZimbabwe ukuthi siba-rewardile asiba-rewardwanga ukudliwa siba-reward ukuthi bamanage ukuqualify
nalaba ubutho I think uclarify sha ukuthi it's not a nation it's an individual
it's individual vele umuntu oyi-one vele exactly
I think kuma issues I think we've said it nicely even la uTopi
number 1 uTopi uyisile
I think uTopi
uchaye kahle ukuthi ngeke wavela umntwana uthi umntwana athi why report yakho ugcwele
so lapha proper the blame Top Guns
izifo and the government
izifo and the government uthi proper team national team abayenze
as it stands we don't have a stadium where our team can play but we have got the money to give people IMS motor week in week out ama-rapture ama-rapture lana ngu-3-4 ayenza something estadium lapha
le 250 lekhitshwe ngusepe la
le ngeyakhe can do what he wants
ngithi but ngithi laye engumuntu ocabanga ngendlela ekhuluma ngayo ube ngumuntu ongathi imali le asichaneleni
iproblem kalo wathi khona uMagwizi engawina is going to put 10 million kulokuze nini is it 10 million something kuzifa angizwa wathi ayingena la kade so ngathi ayingena 10 million leyana maybe ibizakwenza something
so besikhumbula sihoda izifa
umuntu
oyi-one
uthi ngabe izifa we can hold it but at the end of the day I think izifa is the one that is
Zifa and the government
at the end of
because awusoze uhambe abona abanye that preparing Uyakwazi umntana wakho is writing u-form 4, is writing grade 7, is writing upper 6. Awumenzisi even ama-extra lessons. Awula mali yokumenza ama-extra lessons. Awukwanisi even la ukurevise la njengomzali. So, and you expect better results. It's not possible.
Then on top of that, uMarnika had something to say. I know Jensi kuningi okwenzakalayo. Ama stories zephuma. Ndizwile abafana babedakwa. Bayezi cows last game. After last game. Bayenza umsindo umunye ongayenziyo what emaweteleni. Abanye bechingela ama security bengena namahude what abanye bebuya bedakiwe. And icrew yankhona iyafakwa iyazibona labeli babalizama ubashida bathi bale depression. Into abazenzayo which was indiscipline. You understand? Kuningi okwenzakalayo okunye is alleged.
Lokana amina Khatebe ngathi khona it's just rumors.
This is what I'm saying.
Because there are people who are bitter. Mina knowing in Morocco. In Morocco le mthetho ya Morocco vela ivuzisa.
This is what I'm saying ukuthi
so I saw into ezingabe zayenzakala izinto ezicakhulunywa abantu to tarnish their image.
This is what I'm saying ukuthi okunye is alleged. Mfuna ukubuya endabeni ka Marius Marinika had something to say. Performance eZimbabwe ku AFCON. Uthe ufuna major overhaul. Indlela izifa engidla ngayo
izinto.
Ibhora lethu is not English, it's not being English properly. Mfuna sizama ukuthi sicubungule indlela akhulume ngayo ukuthi ubamba is it touching the right nerve. Marius Marinika is ucoach le ndlela lathi esikhangela ngayo ibhora ngoba khalesi into esiqedwe ukukhuluma story izifa la uMarius Marinika uthi ungachecka igrassroots system yethu poor wakhangela ukuthi iPremier Soccer League yethu is not producing lapho umbono wakhe uthi is not producing quality players that can compete ku tournament enjenge AFCON. So ufuna imajor overhaul ebhoreni leZimbabwe sibese sikhayela ama structures enje South Africa because we use the example in South Africa. What if you look at South Africa? South Africa is made up of mostly local based players, a few overseas based players. So which shows ukuthi South Africa they are doing something right. Usharp
yena uyakwathi yena uright kakhulu is talking sense kakhulu because yabona ufana like eSouth Africa uBruce wathi efika la he said the same wathi yena ibhora lethu ibhora leSouth Africa njani alikho that good uyabona kulento eziningi omele zitshintshwe and for sure watshengisa transformation yakhe sibili izinto zaqalisa ukutshintsha wahlala phansi nama coach wayenzana and at the same time eSouth Africa I advantage was iSundowns was playing CAF and they were doing well ku CAF and the obvious coach said start you make a team because already if you are playing ku CAF experience elilayo inengi for ama major tournaments anjengala because abantu ababedlala laphana bayakwazi level ebhorela ngale because lichiyene even la local ikubona iSundowns they can dominate league liyana for many years.
I think it's 9 years in a row now.
Yabona what I'm trying to say because when they are competing labo Ali labo bani serious teams so that way it's an advantage and when ungapick maybe about 7 players from that team usiya ku tournament awuso kusabe awuso kuyenzakala anything so yena angakutsho kuphela ukuthi it's not ukuthi thina la ibhora lethu you are not producing good players. There are good players ku local league but they are not given that chance yokuthi la efike edlale. Look at even uNavaya, it was his first time kuyadlala ngale but wakule Khosafa uthi ngaba amqalisa uKhosafa uthi ehamba ngale se the experience yani national team.
I think indlela uToba khuluma ngayo indlela uMario sote khuluma ngayo ukuthi ungachecka proper phezulu vele ibhora lethu ngane alibanjwa kuhle.
Exactly.
That's true. For the first time I would love to agree with Marinika. But nonetheless, thumbs up to Izifa. I think is it last year they signed a memorandum of understanding with the Ministry of Sports and Primary Education, which is from the grassroots level. So when you've got a system from academies, izikolo, everywhere else we've got a proper system of how we play. Nxa siyafika phezulu siya ku national team, it becomes easy for the coach. But the problem ekhona ku Zimbabwe like enginanzeleleyo ukuthi khona for somebody else to be called into the national team. Nxa ungasabanga yiloku zenini top goal scorer kumbe we soccer star of the year. Nja khona okwenzela kuna Vai abakuboni. Meaning to say ukuthi na Vai isikhathi sonke lesi bengamboni ukuthi uyadlala yini ibhola. Beze bembiza kathese we soccer star of the year. Uloku zenini Tambando ukhipha welozenini lo uSipezezi waqasa udlala kuma Warriors esephandle kwelizwe siba man of the match even though enza iblunder yakhe wayenza iblunder after iblunder lana seyenzile bahle bamxotsha futhi ku national team. That is a weakness we have. Umuntu engayenza mistake akaphambanisa akagcinwe efundiswe learn from his mistake because if failure is the first attempt in learning, you have failed, then you have been given a chance. Utikia wali keep wona uzeni langene emkhaya eka Ronaldo. Kodwa the next game wayedlala ku national team. Showing to say ukuthi kona they are trying to build the confidence. So thina in national team yethu irana as if ngama fans. Team yama fans ayidliwa. Team yama fans ayikho wrong. Team yama fans ngebest. But nxa kuyizifa kufuze ihambe on a professional level when they select the team regardless of how that person is performing that current time. Like okwenza uLowe when engena ku Germany wathi khona mina give me about 4 years bangisakwazi many years azikhuluma with these young boys ngiya win World Cup wabathatha bena ma 19 years bancane wahamba wayedliwa of course but they were patient with him wazwafika wazwa-resign umsebenzi kazange enze ukuxoshwa because he had built a system esingenela kade sabangenayo they continue with the same system. So singaba le system of how we play as a nation la nxa uqhatsha ucoach uyakumtshengisa system yena udlala ngayo ukuthi sina sikhamba ngale system sikhamba so that's how we select singaselect kuphela ama players because uthi umuntu lana lochisa njani ngaso nesikhathi ngoba sometimes uyachisa but vele kuvele lokuzenini umachisa ubevele chisa but wadipa ku form akuthi ukudipa ku form akalazi ibhora. So yikho kusibulala khona kanti umuntu engadipa ku form sesimxotsela kanjani.
Mina but I think uyabona kuyafana igoli uBruce into ayenza ibe ngani kathesi iblind kakhulu. Umuntu lo anothi akala ukuthi wena if you play well uyakubisa. Akala ukuthi udlalela iphi team akala ukuthi uyenzani. If you play well vele uyakubisa.
There's a system in place.
System ekhona uyabona ukuthi wena la inform yakho ingayenze ngana awusadlala eteamini yakho awuyenzini ngakubisi and uyakutshela futhi it's not ukuthi uzawumele uyakutshela ukuthi hayi kathesi you are not performing well.
Speaking about that topic bemfuna ukwenza example ukuthi khathesi ungacheka nxa ubona eZimbabwe not serious but okunye siyazenzela siyasenza into zebhora khala ama players abuyelile kuma base abantu uMaswanise uhlohlile weekend ubedlala ama players uGalo ufikile la uhlohlile babuyile ama players but khanyela
uChirewa ufikile wadlala
uNakamba simbize akala team ukuthi team uLuthoni akadlali ama players abusebuyelini yena was trending ngabuyela ngeteamini yakhe ukhona into zona leziyana because jensithi isystem yethu somewhere is flawed.
That is what is saying.
Support point yakhe.
Umari ucoach yikho akutsho ukuthi into omele sinjani.
Silungiswe
because yena umuntu ofike kathesi and ufice izinto zikhona. Phela ungafika endaweni awunyeke ufike utshintshe. It takes time nje ukuthi unjani until because even uBruce layithi walo labantu abaningi
kakhulu
uyabona wala wonke umuntu ama legends amani wonke be against him wayala yena wathi hayi mina ngichiyanini ngizenzele ukuthi ubani lo bani uyenza so mina hayi ngichiyanini ngizenzele ende kathesi wonke umuntu ode kuform bebiza wahamba edlala.
That is why even team idliwa
but mina ngikubonayo futhi nje our coach uTopo Falo wa South Africa nje South Africa bengani kungcono ngoba South Africa ngani ubepheja kwezinye indaba izimabhali ifuna ipage mdala ifuna izigamba hayi ngoba selifuna into enyuku mdala
yika kutsho ukuthi total overall
total overall mdala bona
ingenuity
South Africa lo bakade thinga out of the ade bonta mala mpheje lapha nje but eZimbabwe manje singakhuluma ama players ukuthi yabefuna la ukuthi athi aqale la ku grassroots lapha sakhuluma ama players kwamele siqalise futhi sikhulume ngama eqase kuma stadiums eqayise yabona eZimbabwe sisasekude mdala sisasekude in terms ngoba kugcwele mdala phezulu singazi ekamagwizi so far mase imilinde 2026 but mdala kodwa i-administration yonke mdala igcwele abantu abangasobe bhora mdala
kakhulu.
I think we're speaking this.
Ipoint elikhuluma is the same because khanyela ninibone i-team selection of the ama-Warriors zethu and you look at abantu ababiziweyo, they were not even performing to their teams. Okay, so bebengadlali kuma teams abantu. Like umfana we 16 years udlale 5 games but is being called ahead of Walter Mson. Walter Mson was performing day in day out and kulama players amaningi efuze bizwe but because who is your agent okunye futhi esise sukhangela most people abalama agents abangana